Dear students, good morning. Welcome to 6th Standard Science. We are supposed to continue with the question and answer. Okay. The thing which is given in the last video will be till choose the correct answers, fill in the blanks, and true or false. So today we are going to continue with the short answer. Children, you are supposed to get ready with your book back question paper, that is book back question answer. It will be all the questions will be asked for you in your exams. Okay, so let us start with the short revision. Yes, shall we move on? Why do you call jasmine plant a twinner? Why do you call jasmine plant a twinner? Jasmine plant has weak stem. It cannot stand straight on its own. It must climb on any support to survive. Plant a twinner. I am repeating this because you are supposed to read along with me so that it will be easy for you to prepare for your exams, right? So, why do you call jasmine plant a twinner? Jasmine plant has weak stem. It cannot stand straight on its own. It must climb on any support to survive. So, jasmine plant is called as twinner. Compare the taproot and fibrous root system. See, this you can make it as a tablet it. You can make it as a differentiate also. Here they have given in a paragraph form. Compare the taproot and fibrous root system. Taproot has single root. It grows straight with smaller root arise from the taproot. Single root grows straight with smaller roots that arise from the taproot. Example for taproot is dicot plant, maybe bean or mango. Fibrous root has a cluster of roots arising from the base of the stem. Thin, it is given as TIN, it should be THIN, thin and uniform in size. Monocots, examples are monocots and grass paddy. Monocots, example grass and then paddy belongs to the fibrous root system. To children, I have told you, you have to put this in a tabulation form so that it will be easy for you to memorize. You have to write a single root grows straight with smaller roots that arise from the taproot. Example mango. HIN and uniform in size. Example monocots, that is grass and paddy. Next, shall we move on to the next? It is distinguish between terrestrial and aquatic habitats. Distinguish between terrestrial and aquatic habitats. Terrestrial habitats, they are found on land. They include desert, grassland, forests, farms, towns and cities. They are classified into three types such as desert habitat, grassland habitat and forest habitat. Example, rubber tree, teak tree, neem tree. Coming to the aquatic habitats, they are found in water. Aqua means water. Hydro also refers to water. They are found in water. They include the areas permanently as well as occasionally covered by water. They are classified into two types such as freshwater habitat and marine water habitat. Example, lily, lotus, marine, algae and seagrasses. This question also you are supposed to make it as a tabular column format, and then left hand side you can make it as terrestrial habitats, and then right hand side you have to make it as aquatic habitats. Terrestrial habitats, they are found on land. They include desert, grassland, forests, farms, towns and cities. They are classified into 3 types such as desert habitat, grassland habitat and forest habitat. Example, rubber tree, teak tree, neem tree. They include the areas permanently as well as occasionally covered by water. They are classified into 2 types such as freshwater and marine water habitat. Example, lily, lotus, marine, algae, sea grasses. Then list out the plants present in your school garden. I hope you all remember the school campus. This question you can write of your own. You can write what are the plants you remember when you were in the 5th standard. Those plants you can remember and you can write of your own. Then coming to the list out the plant. This is an optional question. They may ask. Now we'll this coming to the last part of that one detail is given in your reader, that is given the concept map, connect them, correcting by drawing arrow marks. Okay, complete the map by filling the blanks. Even this question I've told you to make it as a activity part. See, this is in your last page of your reader. Habitat is classified into aquatic and terrestrial. Aquatic is again classified into freshwater and then marine. Freshwater again into river, lake, pond. See, you have to fill in this. Answers are given down. Habitat classified into aquatic and terrestrial. Aquatic is classified again into freshwater and marine. Freshwater, you are supposed to write it as river, lake and pond. Into 3: desert, forest and then grassland. This mapping you are supposed to do it in your activity also. This you can do it as your second activity. Let me repeat this. The habitat is classified into aquatic and terrestrial. Aquatic is divided into freshwater and marine. Freshwater is divided into 3. They are river, lake, pond, etc. Whatever the freshwater habitats, you can include dam also. And then coming to the aquatic, it is marine. Example, seas and ocean you can write. And terrestrial habitat, desert, forest and then grassland. Okay, thank you children. You are supposed to read it well, and all my videos include only 10 to 15 minutes, so that your revision part will be easy for you, so that make it go through it again and again. Okay, thank you.